Hey people, today I'm making a video and this is serious, this is no joke. I am quitting this channel. So basically, listen further, don't click off this video yet. Basically I'm going to be not using this channel anymore. I may possibly delete all my videos, maybe not all of them, but maybe just some of them. So yeah, I'm going to be switching back to Meerkat 4044 Animal Jam. Okay, and by the way, I'm not gonna do that video on what's it called, why I have so many accounts anymore. I decided not to do that video because this is so gonna be proof alone. I'm going to be switching back to my Meerkat 404 AJ channel, which was my original channel, the first channel I ever had on Animal Jam. And I have so much more subscribers than I have on there than I do on here. So I'm going to be switching. I'm going to probably, I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep my name as Ripple or not. I think I will keep my name as Ripple. Or I might just keep it as Princess61263 AJ. So yeah. Go search up Meerkat 444 AJ and you will find my account that I will continue to be using. So all my subscribers, I hope you're watching this because this is the reason why I'm not gonna be uploading. You might notice I won't be making uploads. I can if I want, but I'm just not going to be using this channel anymore. So this is basically my last video on this channel. I'm just going to say goodbye and see you later.